First off, I want to thank you all for checking my channel out. If you don't care, hit that subscribe, like, leave me a comment on it. Let me know what you think about this stuff. Wasn't really going to make a video of this, but I couldn't help it. Gas tank repair. Okay, here's something a little different. Think I can fix it? It's a pretty hard to find gas tank on a, I think this goes on a XL, old model Honda, but a SL or a SL Honda. Gas tank's pretty straight. Not really beat all to pieces or nothing, but it's got that rust along the bottom on one side. I'm gonna clean this side off just to see. And here's this side right here. So we'll see if we can fix it. And by the way, how I ended up getting this gas tank was, this gas tank belongs to Chris that I met down in Georgia, that I went and got all the parts for my sl70, which was my very first motorcycle. If you didn't see those videos, check it out. It's pretty cool. I got that motorcycle for my 7th birthday in 1972. And here I am meeting cool people and finding out things to do. And I'm going to try to see if I can help this guy out with a few of these tanks. Hey, like my little holder I made for this thing, that's actually some old stock that my son used to use when he shoed horses. So, use that thing. Don't let nothing go to waste. Got it fitting pretty good. Took a little tack here and there on it to get it pressed at the end there to where I could finish dolling it all out and all. I got it fitting pretty good there, and I want to apologize for most of these being still pictures, but I'm working part-time now, and I was doing this before everybody got in there, and it's pretty loud in the shop. I tried to video some of it, but it just you just couldn't hear the sound good. So bear with me on this thing. I'll do another one hopefully and video how I actually did it step by step. Well, there it is. I'll dolly it in there, welded up solid and ground down, ready to do a little bit of work. Then I took my stud gun and welded some studs in the places that did have the dings and the dents and stuff like that. No need to fill all this stuff up full of Bondo, guys. These things are fairly cheap now. You can buy them, and they really work well and save you a lot of time in the long run. Okay, so we got all the big places welded up. The 2 places on the side underneath, I welded them up. And then when I was up underneath that thing, I found out that that's why you see that black streak back through there. Underneath of that thing was rotted plumb out. So I panel bonded it up. It'll be fine. Once he seals the inside of the gas tank, it'll never know I put the panel bond on it. And besides that, the panel bond works better than a lot of people's welds I've seen on here, maybe even including some of mine. After me and the stud gun got through with that, all I had to do was I put a skim coat of filler all the way over the whole entire tank. I blocked it down real rough, 180. No, actually 80 grit. Went back over some 180, put another coat on it, and that baby's ready for prime. 2 thin coats is all this thing had on it. Not too bad for the first coat of primer. Wish I could see into there, but I got it sitting right there. After I put the first few coats of primer on, I think maybe 3 or so, I put me some guide coat over the top of it, let it dry overnight, blocked that puppy down, primed it one more time. After that first blocking down, primed, blocked down again, 2nd coats of primer on it, I think that baby's slick enough. Let's put some paint on it. Thanks for checking us out.